ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ke Regional Committee ke Bapet ya ke Gentia Hills Barelam do Chairman na ke Jilla Assam baru Chairman na ke Jilla Meghalaya ke bala Shong Jing Yalang Hanong Ba Shillong ha ka arpu praterik ubenai naiwing arajar arpu wei. Kala rai ban panpor na ki artli ki Sarkar Jilla kata na ke Sarkar Assam bat na ke Sarkar Meghalaya na ke benta ban pa ya ke kaipot jurip chekishnong kaput ki badan ha ke jing ya ke jiaput ha pedeng ke Meghalaya bat ke Assam. Katkum kajing itu jang menteri ke Sarkar Jilla ubah lak men rumbui makajing panpor kalong man penjelannya kajing IT ke kaipot kan long hado ke kat santrik ubnai nok pra arajar arpuwei.
Committee have met on the 28th of this month in Shillong, where the member of the committee led by the chairman of the committee from Assam and the chairman of the committee from Meghalaya, we have met, we have deliberated the issues, and we from the Meghalaya, we have shown which is the portion or the area which we not claim which is belong to Meghalaya, but since it is an area of difference, so the representative from Assam, they have requested where the district administration from, the representative from Assam and district administration from Kachar, they request us to keep the map of this area which proposed to be falls under the state of Meghalaya, so that they will verify how much land it is there, so that both the side could visit the place and then take a decision. So we have asked for extension of time till the 15th of December, and I hope within this week or next week, before that time, they will able to go to the field jointly, and then we will meet again before the 15th of December. Yes, report will be submitted on the December 15th based on the meeting which we will held before that time. See, in any area of difference, there is a claim and counterclaim. But as we know that Ratachara, since time memorial, is within the Meghalaya. But as per what the map of Assam government or the forest department of Assam, they have some issue on that. So because of that, we have this area of difference. But I hope that because it is the first time that both the Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya, they go into this issue deep and with a positive mindset. And I hope that solution not only to this, into, if not all, into some area of this difference could be narrowed down, so that in the future also all the area of difference could be settled once and for all.